So we have some parts that are already ready for the bow tie, and there are some parts that are different from that I'm going to be doing differently from what you saw me doing in the previous DIY video. Remember the previous DIY video, what I did was to put glue all around, but in this instance I'm going to be ironing. Now you check your, let me make this a bit straight, this wasn't cut so straight. Okay, so if you check your interfacing, you'll see that there's a part that shines. The part that shines, see, this part doesn't shine, this part shines. The part that shines is the part that has the glue. So I'm going to be putting it in the middle of this bow tie. So I would like to get my midpoint. Place my chalk. I need the midpoint of this place. So the midpoint is here. I have my midpoint here and here. Okay. So that means this should be here. So we should ensure that from here to here and here to here are equal. We're looking at it, I think this should be equal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend this like this. There's glue on this my iron. It's a little above 5. So let's cut off that excess so that it can close up complete. This part's longer, so I'll cut off this excess from here. Oh, it's already sticking. Can you see it's already sticking? So it first the stubbing. So this is held up, so it's much easier now. Don't break my needle. Okay. these ones. These are those ones, the band that has been torn, but you need it like this. We'll still put the the Velcro. But I'll iron it first before I put the Velcro. So those are the things I didn't show in the previous video. Like I said, I would like to show you here. How do I need to wash this fan again? This fan is sticky. So that's ready. So I'll show you the remaining parts and how we complete it. But let me be doing the others. Remember, we have 10 pieces. So let me get the others done. 2 inches. To make it bigger, 2.5 should be okay. And just so increase it so that it has more space like this one. This one has more space, so you can push in what you want to put inside. Okay, so let us do the last one together. So these are 9 pieces that I've already done, completed. Okay, this is how they look. So this is what you do. I showed you how to do this already. So what you do is you take this. These are the bands. The Velcro has already been put. If you check that other video, you'll see how to do this. This I'm just showing you because it's a bit different from the blue one. So this is the back. Okay, this is the front. You can see there's no sewing here, but it's sewing here. So what you do is you fold this into 2. Why you're folding it is so that it doesn't start sticking to any hairs underneath the frill. Then you push it in like so. Okay, so it comes out easily once you fold it. If you don't fold it, it won't come out easily. Remember, this part, the part that is plain, should be the part facing on top of the bowl. that's facing the bow, because that's the side you're going to see like this. The part that is sewn should be the one at the back, because that's what's going to be at the neck. So I'm going to knot this because I'm going to be needing this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'll just take it up and make it so that they are at equal length. I don't want this to be able to move. There are some people that do bow ties or some ready-made ties that this moves, but I don't want it to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take from here. Remember, there's the part that you folded, so I'll also use it as an opportunity to make it firmer. Then take it through here like this. Okay, then I'll take it back, take it past those materials to make it firmer like that. Take it again, pass through it like that. Then I want to take it to come out through this other side to hold that side also. So I'll do like this. All this has to make the bow tie more durable. Okay, now I'll take that and I'll pass it back. And I'll take it again and pass it one last time. Okay. And then I lock it up. This out, then adjust this better, and you can see the bow tie is ready. So I'm going to be packaging it, so just give me a few minutes. Let me get out the packaging material. You see how I'll package it. Okay, I'm back for the packaging. So I'm going to be doing 5 to each nylon. Take note that this part is the part that will stick, so you want this facing up this way. So let me start with that. My tag. So that's it. Then I just place it into a nylon and deliver.